Sir, I always wanted people to understand at the shop floor and the workers, and I think they are very well understood that they have been conveyed. वो पोपट की तरह आज बात कर रहे थे, आप बोल रहे थे तो मैं नहीं मानता था, आज मैंने देखा कि they are really, and there are visible improvements including US FDA and our auditors for ISO 22000. They said that yes, they could, I mean, they didn't say it's improvement, but they saw the improvement and they were happy. There were no major issues with US FDA audits also. Second, lean, Kamlesh got convinced with the inventory levels and he understood that was a big thing. I think that was a big success. I think that will take us to improve the lean concept and improve ITR in a much better way. Overall communication has improved with these visuals. That is a very big thing and very good initiative, efforts and expenses incurred by the air quality consultants, and I must compliment you for that. And
Thank you so much.
I think the same experience should be or could be of other people also, that it always helps, the visuals, movies and slides, and I've been hearing a lot of people talking of those things, but I saw that now, and great job done in that area. We didn't understand all this earlier, or we were not aware of it. At the top level, we have become aware of it.
Yeah.
We have understood what is ITR, what is CLEAT. So probably this will create more awareness and discipline into the top level, and then they find the ways to implement and how to go ahead probably next.
What is your comment on this initiative of the government, the role
I
of...
think, see, all
NPC.
government policies or initiatives are very good.
Yeah.
They know what is going ahead. If you see even the food laws of India 50 years back were at par with the international standards. So government knows what is good. It is difficult for them to find people to implement that or to participate that. This is a classic example where government initiative has really percolated in implementing, monitoring and participating. And I think 90% people or 90% participants must have given a good justice to that.
Yeah.
And the investment of government is worthwhile.
Okay.
The India as a second largest economy, growing economy, and the momentum on SMEs at the production areas, I think this is a must, or this is the high time to get into this, and rightly at the right time government has taken this initiative, and we need to compliment them also on this initiative.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thanks.